The engine hums, the road is clear. Feel the rush, the wind draws near. Sun on my back, the sky so wide. I'm free as the breeze on this endless ride. Rolling wheels, my heart's alive. Through hills and plains I thrive. Every turn, every mile, life feels right when I ride in style. The trees they sway, they call my name. The open road, my favorite game. With every twist, with every bend, it's just me and the world, no need to pretend. Rolling wheels, my heart's alive. Through hills and plains I thrive. Every turn, every mile, life feels right when I ride in style. Clouds above, whispers below, chasing the sun's fading glow. No destination's just the ride. The bike's my compass, my guide.